Hello, are you new to gardening? Have you sown some carrots? Are they slow to germinate? Don't panic. From germination to harvest takes a few months, so it's not a sprint. All the seeds in this bag were sown at the same time using a seed sowing template to be assured of good separation. In other words, no shoulder to shoulder carrots and no thinning required. They were all sown at the same depth. This bag has never dried out. So why am I telling you all this? What's this all about? Well, on the face of it, this looks good germination. But I think the camera angle is probably deceiving you. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to adjust the camera angle, and then we're going to have a look at something that is unexplained. At least it's unexplained to me. I don't know why it happens, but it happens, and it may be happening to you. And if you see that it's happening to me, you're not going to start beating yourself up. You're going to say, well, look, this just happens to gardeners around the world. Okay, so I've adjusted the camera. You're looking more down into the bag now than across the top of the bag. And what I've found is that I have a bald patch. Can you see that? At the front of that bag. There seems to be, let me turn it a bit, not a great deal happening there, is there? So what's caused that? Bearing in mind that I did sow this bag meticulously. I know how many carrot seeds went in there, and I have watered it carefully, so I know that I did not wash all the carrot seeds to one side, yet that part of the bag doesn't seem to have a lot going on. And you might have a similar situation now in your bags or buckets, or even if you're sowing in the ground. You may have sown carrots and there may be areas that have no carrots growing in them. These carrots have been in this bag 5 to 6 weeks, so that's how tall carrots grow in 5 or 6 weeks in a bag. Now then, what about this guy right at the front? If I can pull this bag down, I might be able to point him out. That seed went into this bag the same time as all these seeds. It looks as though it's only been germinated a few days. It's only got 2 seed leaves. Where's that carrot seed been? Oh, why is it way behind these carrots? Hey, I don't know. I don't know. And if you've got bald patches or bare patches where carrots aren't growing, maybe you've got some carrot seeds that are going to be slow to germinate, slow to come on. Now, if I open these out, and I don't think I can open these out and move that camera at the same time, but I'll try my best to see if I can. There's a carrot seed right below where my finger has just come. It's just come through. Hold on. Oh, I think I've done this. Wait a minute. Right. Here's a carrot just germinated. Where's that seed been? Why is it so far behind all these other carrots in the bag? That one there. And that one there. And there's another one there, actually a very small one. Where have those seeds been? I don't know. They've been in this bag. Why didn't they germinate when the rest of these seeds germinated? Why didn't they grow on like these carrots have grown on? I honestly don't know. But it makes you think twice about saying, well, this isn't a very good bag. I'll empty it out and start again. There's perhaps more carrots to come through in this bag. And the only way we're going to find that out is if we just keep watering it and keep it going and hope that more carrots germinate and we actually get a full bag of carrots. So if you're new to gardening and you're having issues with seeds germinating, you're not the only one. And if you can't understand why they're not germinating, you're not the only one. There's a few of us out there. If you are new to gardening, as I've already said, and you're sowing seeds and you don't seem to be having a great deal of luck, well, maybe it's just a matter of time. Maybe you're expecting these seeds to germinate that much quicker, and they're not. That's 5 weeks, 6 weeks worth of growth of carrot seeds normally, and yet there's some tail end Charlies playing catch up. That's likely how it is. Where have those carrots been for the last 5 or 6 weeks? It's a mystery. At least it's a mystery to me. Those small seedlings should be as tall as these seedlings. Where have they been for 5 or 6 weeks? What have they been doing? They haven't been growing, have they? It's a mystery. It's a mystery. So if your carrots are looking a little bit thin in the bucket, a little bit thin in the bag, a little bit thin on the ground, perhaps all they need is a little more time to show, a little more time to grow. Only time will tell. This is Homegrown Veg, signing out.